react.
Yeah.
And it's just really neat. Look at their big skulls. So, you just not feel how hard that would be. Imagine.
Boy's flapping his ears.
Mm-hmm. You know why they do that? Love. And I guess probably also to try and keep bugs away, maybe. I don't know. But they definitely do. Fuzzy.